If you're looking for a great way to practice target shooting from home using your own handgun, then the Pink Rhino and the Mantis Laser Academy target system is a great fit. Check it out. So I've been recently doing a lot of dry fire practice at home, trying to improve my grip, my stance, my aim, my line of sight, everything like that. And as you guys know, it gets pretty boring pretty quickly. So I came across the Pink Rhino 9mm laser cartridge and the Mantis Laser Academy targeting system. And when you pair these two together with the Mantis Laser Academy app, you can play a bunch of fun targeting games with your own 9mm handgun. So let's get this all put together and you guys can check it out. All right, first thing you're gonna need is the Pink Rhino training cartridge. This is a 9mm. Go ahead and open it up. And as you can see here, there's this 9mm laser. I've already put the batteries in here. I'm gonna just show you how quick and easy it is to do. Twist the cap off here, and you'll see they're just stacked on top of each other with the negative side facing up, which is the part with the ring facing up, okay? And as you can see here, once you close it, you can press this little black button to test it, and you can see that the laser works. Okay, so this is actually the back side of the bullet, and this will be the front. So I'm going to use my M&P 2.0. You want to go ahead and slide it in the barrel. There you go, and then just rack the slide. Make sure it's pushed in. And if it doesn't kind of go, you just kind of nudge it forward. There you go. It's good to go. Now you can see that laser shooting at it every time. It's just like dry firing. Okay, so now we're good to go here, ready to go. The next thing you're gonna need, oh, by the way, this is 40 bucks on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description, but 40 bucks on Amazon. Then the target training system. I purchased these from Amazon, but it's, I think they're $28. You get a set of a bunch of different targets for which you can play a bunch of different games in the app. All right, so next what you'll need to do is download the Laser Academy app from the App Store for free, and create an account or log in if you already have one. And it'll come up with a bunch of drills here. And then there's some courses. All the drills and courses require these targets that I purchased on Amazon for 28 bucks. The bells, the Jingle Bells one, that's the one that comes for free if you want to print it yourself. Let's just load one up so you can kind of get an idea of how it works. Let's shot from guard, low ready, single rep. So it tells you fast and accurate shot from the guard, low ready position, move onto target and shoot immediately after the beep. Each shot is placed, scored, and timed. So it's pretty straightforward. And you can also add your, manage your arsenal by adding your weapon. It doesn't quite matter at this point. You can name it however you want. Like so long as you designate it a pistol type, it really doesn't matter what it is. Like it's all manual as you type in. So, Glock 43, you can type in M and P. It's not going to pull it up from a database or anything like that. It's just because you can use pistol, rifle, or shotgun, the targets will be differentiated for those three. So if it's a pistol, you can use Glock. You can make one, call it gun or pistol or 9mm, and it'll work for all of your home pistols. All right, let's get the tripod set up and show you how it works. All right, so the first thing you'll need to do is take one of your targets and get it standing, like so. I'm using the bullseye target for this game. And then you want to have another tripod with the app and camera set up so that it's in field of view of the target. So once you've done that, you go into the app. Here are the list of drills here. I purchased the bullseye 10 shot, which requires the target. And once you do that, the camera will calibrate it and look for the target. Now, make sure that you don't have too much light hitting the target. Let me show you what I mean. If I'm gonna go ahead and turn that bright red light, it's above there. I'm gonna, by the way, I just zoomed in there. I'm gonna turn this light up. If I turn the light up, you start to see red creeping in on the page, and this makes it unable for the app to pick up the target. So make sure that there's little to no red on the target. There you go. Makes it grainier, but it doesn't really matter. And the name of this game is you have 10 shots and you're trying to hit the bullseye every single time right in the middle. You can set your yardage right here, as you can tell. And I'm gonna set mine to, let's go with 2 yards. A little ambitious. 2 yards. All right, and let's give this a go to see how badly I butcher it. Step back 2 steps. Let me make sure I'm at 2 yards. 1, 2. Okay, we're good. Ready. Dang it. All right, it's got a score of 99, almost got a perfect score. And it's fun, you can push the target back, you can go at 3, 4, 5 yards, whatever, and then you can play against a friend. So there it is, guys. Once you're done and you want to remove the bullet from the barrel, you just need to grab a pencil. I use this mechanical pencil, and you just push it through, it'll come out down the magazine. Well, there you go. So there you have it, guys. All in all, I think this is a great system to use to help make dry firing more fun and just more convenient and just all around a more pleasant experience. If you like the content, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one.